Hey guys, and welcome to this cleaning video. Today we are going to be tackling my house. It was pretty messy and was in need of a good cleaning, so I hope you guys are excited for this video. And if you are, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed. I hope this video gives you some cleaning motivation and maybe some decoration inspiration, because I am going to be showing you some of my fall decorations. I always love to start in the kitchen because it makes me feel like I can get something checked off my list immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and do all the dishes and run the dishwasher so that can be going while we clean the rest of the house. So at the end of the night, I can unload that dishwasher and have all those dishes be clean.
I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now, you and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other? What's the point of living without you? Tell me now and I'll stop fighting. Tell me now and I'll stop breathing. I don't want to be here without you. Without you. Without you.
Then we're going to wipe off all the countertops and wipe everything down using the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice scent. And I love that stuff. It makes your house smell so clean and just like fall.
No, 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 no. I'll be your light, I'll keep you from...
Moving on to the stove. The stove was very gross. It was really nasty and really needed to be degreased, and then I did use the razor to get some of that old food off there, or anything that had boiled over. Just automatically like stays on the stove and it won't come off, so that little kitchen stove razor comes in really handy.
You and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other? What's the point of living without you? Tell me now and I'll stop fighting.
I've been looking forward to organizing this cabinet for a while because I got a little shelf that I'm going to be using. It's a 3-tier spice rack shelf that I got at Home Goods for only $3 or $3.99. So I'm going to just be showing you guys the process. I'm taking everything out, and then I'm going to wipe down the 2 shelves. And then I'm going to reorganize everything and just get rid of a lot of stuff that we don't use, because I feel like I should not have this much stuff in that one cabinet. So we're going to completely reorganize that, and I love the way it turned out, and I was so glad I had the time to do this today. I organized this cabinet by spices that I use the most on the front row, moving up to the bigger things on the back row, and then so everything is just really convenient while I'm cooking. I can just reach up and grab a spice if I need. And then other things that I use pretty often, I will put on that Lazy Susan. And then things that I don't use as often will go on the top shelf, or I had to put my olive oil spray up there because it was just too tall. Moving on to the living room, I'm just going to go ahead and put up all that laundry that I had folded and it just needed to be put away, and then just pick up around the living room, as well as cleaning off the coffee table, it needed to be Windexed. Next, it's time to vacuum, and as you can probably see, my vacuum was pretty full already. It was definitely time to dump this after I was done. I was like, oh my goodness, how much dog hair could this thing pick up? Like, it was crazy how much is on my floor, and I don't even realize it. It blows my mind every time how much dog hair I pick up and how much they shed. I'm going to go ahead and start a load of laundry and switch out the laundry so I can get to folding that later. I didn't get to that in this video, but you know what? I can't fit everything into one day sometimes, and that's okay. But I did get a lot done, and I got a couple loads done today. Take a minute and unbox some of my fall decor from last year. I got it all down the attic, so I just want to show you guys a few things so you can start getting excited about the decorate with me's that are going to be coming up. So I got into this box already because I just like, it's so fun seeing what you got last year, and at the end of last year I always buy stuff when it goes on sale. So like at Hobby Lobby, when they mark all their stuff on sale, I'll try to buy some stuff. But so this is one of the signs that I got from the Target dollar spot. And I also got this one from there as well, and I love this one. I'm just gonna kind of breeze through this. I'm not gonna go into detail because it's all gonna be in my decorate with me, but I have this spoon rest and then a lot of fall florals in here and like little pumpkin ceramics like that. These were my favorite, these little fabric pumpkins from the Target dollar spot last year. I think I bought 5 or 6 of these in all these different muted colors, which I'm really glad I did that last year because that's what I want to do this year. So I have another little white one. Oh, I have this cute little dish towel. It says I love fall most of all. This is from Joann's. Oh yeah, I got this. It just says simply grateful. Couldn't remember what it said. Oh, I love this sign. It says happy harvest. And I had this under my bench, my little pew style bench, with a really cute galvanized bucket that has, I'll show it to you. It's from Hobby Lobby. I have my little recipe stand holder, and it just says fall is my favorite. That was from the Target dollar spot. A lot of cute little dish towels. Like this one was my favorite from Joann's. And it just has like a bunch of cute little words on it and then the tassels at the bottom. I got these little pumpkins from Kirkland's last year that just have little sayings on them or like little words. Another thing I'm really excited to put back up is this sign. I love putting this up over my kitchen cabinets. It looks so good in there because my whole kitchen is like a black and white kind of theme. So I love this sign. It's from Hobby Lobby last year and I saw it out this year. And then I bought this sign on sale last year. I think I got this for like a few dollars because it was originally $30 and I bought it like 90% off or something. So I might even put this on my front porch. I'm not sure yet. So I have this centerpiece that I made last year, and I just took the candles out of it so it wouldn't melt. But I did a video on this on my channel if you guys want to check it out. I think everything's from Dollar Tree except for this container, which was from Joann's, and it was still only a few dollars. So I will link that video down below if you guys are interested. Oh, I got this cute little pillow at Target, and I'm gonna put this on that pew bench as well. I can't wait to decorate that bench. It's gonna be so cute. And I'm probably gonna be decorating the house super early this year just because all of September I'm pretty much gonna be gone or really busy. I go on field work for my first clinical rotation for grad school for 2 weeks, and then I'm gone the next week for fall break. So that's pretty much all of September. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do it early this year. That way you guys can see the content and get some inspiration for when it comes time for you to decorate. This is such a good decorating item. You can fill it with pumpkins, you can put blankets in it, you could do so many things with this. So I bought this at Hobby Lobby, and again, these are out this year too. So I bought a few things yesterday, but I'm gonna wait and show you guys that because I'm doing a whole fall tablescape video where I redo my dining room for fall and like show you how I'm gonna decorate the table. Pretty much everything's gonna be affordable. Yeah, like everything's affordable. So don't forget to subscribe so you guys won't miss out on that video. So I just want to show you guys a little bit of what I got, but stay tuned because I have so much fun content coming up with fall items. So let's go ahead and finish cleaning this house so I can go out and run some errands and then maybe start my fall tablescape video. So all that laundry that I moved from the living room, I just put it into our bedroom. So now it's time for me to actually put it up. And I'm going to be changing the sheets in our room and cleaning the headboard later, which is why you'll see like a big kind of wet spot on the headboard. It took forever to dry, but I think I got most of the stain, or like I cleaned it, because it does get kind of dirty because it is an upholstered headboard. So now we're back in the kitchen because I decided I wanted to do the other shelf, or the other cabinet, and clean that one out as well. This one's definitely not as satisfying or as clean as the other one is, but this is kind of like our catch-all. Anything else that we need in the kitchen that doesn't really fit in a drawer, we'll just put in this cabinet, but I did need to clean it out. So I am just going to use another Lazy Susan that I bought at Home Goods, and I got this one for $3.99 or $4.99, I think. So really affordable, and it's really nice and good quality, and it was actually perfect size. Okay, so now we're back in the bedroom again. I don't know why I hopped around so much in this video, but I'm taking off all the sheets as well as the mattress pad because I did buy us a new one. We've had that one that's on our bed for about 3 years, and I just feel like it needed to be replaced. And also, my dog ripped a hole into it. He ripped a hole into my sheets a couple days ago. That's why we had 2 different colors of sheets on our bed at one time, is because he ripped the bottom sheet with his paw, or with his nails. And also, that's why that headboard looks like that. I was trying to get that stain out. So hopefully the water will dry and the stain will be gone. I'm wiping down the floating shelves in my bedroom just to clean them off because they got quite dusty, as well as I'm going to be rearranging some of the decor on my shelves and just playing around with it and giving it a little bit of a refresh. So that was all I did today, but I got a lot done and I felt like my house turned out so nice and it feels all nice and clean now. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this, and I hope it gave you some inspiration and motivation to get up and get cleaning, or just take a break and clean tomorrow or whenever you have time the next day. I didn't get everything done that I needed to, but I still got a lot of things done and accomplished today. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I can't wait to show you guys some of the content that I'm going to be filming in the upcoming weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Used to be your future, now you see me as your end. When you're hiding, we're colliding. Better be and stop pretend. I was silent, you were blind. Better leave those fears behind. If you're still bleeding, see me as a friend. You won't believe me, and I will understand now and then.